The next one that I'm reviewing is Leesa Ellis. She is a self-publishing consultant. And I noticed right off the bat that one of the great things that she does here is she puts her title right next to her name. Now, this is not necessarily appropriate for a lot of us, but in her case, it works really well because uh this is she's in an industry. She actually, I happen to know Leesa. She does white glove service, which means she walks you through all of the process and has people who can help you do all of the process from start to finish. And so, one of the great things that by doing this is she kind of makes herself stand out in a crowded field. The other thing that I really like is I really like the colors, and it's a bias. This is one of my favorite blues. I like the colors of her banner, but what I would change again, instead of making it an interactive, right, an engagement post, is to actually make a declarative statement, right? So instead of saying want to finally launch your book, she would say finally launch your book, right? I would also take out this picture because despite the fact that it reflects the green, both that neon green, which also again reflects the green in her hair and her bow in a picture, I would just clean this up, make it very simple, take out all this extra wording. Do not make me work too hard to figure out what you do, right? Especially as a business owner. This is your time to shine and make those declarative statements to say, these are the solutions that I give you. Her picture is great, but instead of doing an offside, if there's any way that she could make it a little bit larger and centered a little bit, because mostly it's this picture of, I don't know, a pole, a wall, a curtain, something like that. And so while that might look good on a big picture on a profile, it's really detracting because she really does have neon green hair. And so it's kind of fun to see that. One of the other things that I really like also is her banner. There's some minor changes that I would make to it, but I really like she identifies herself as a book nerd and meme queen. I'm not sure what meme stash is, so I would change it just to meme queen. Because if you know Leesa, you know that she's got this really great, quirky sense of humor, and she actually engages a lot in posts in doing this. And for a while there, I don't know if she's still doing it, is weekly, she would actually post a new meme on different social media platforms. So it's always kind of fun. So those are the things that I would work on with her. And I would also like to see her add the features section of where she can kind of show off exactly what she's offering. Okay, well, a great big thank you to Leesa for letting me review her profile. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you if and when I'm able to do it. Thanks.